Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Realme C33, and now I can show you how to insert SIM card and CD card in this device. Okay, so firstly you need to have SIM card and CD card, and you need to find the pin that fits to the hole on the left top part of your device. As you can see, here I have a hole and here I have a pin, so we need to insert the pin into the hole and just press on it. And as you can see, our slot is opened. So now just take out this slot, and now as you can see, here we have insert two SIM card and memory card. So insert the memory card and insert the SIM card. So here we have SIM card number 2 and here SIM card number 1. So insert SIM card number 1. Great, and now insert the slot with SIM card and with memory card into the device. Do it gently. And great. Now as you can see, we have a mobile network, and check the memory card. So open settings, scroll down to storage, and as you can see, here we have our CD card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.